Good day everyone. I'm Injan Kaditliktawa, BS Marine Engineering student, and I'm here to discuss to you the new technologies that can aid in the compliance to marine protection. Maintaining the health of our ocean requires stringent compliance with marine protection regulations. Traditional methods often prove insufficient due to vast ocean expanses and limited resources. Fortunately, technological advancement offer innovative enforcement and data-driven decisions making in marine conservation. Technological advancement have provided scientists, policymakers, and conservationists with powerful tools to monitor and study marine ecosystems, leading to more informed decision-making and evidence-based policies. Technologies such as satellite imagery, remote sensing, and underwater monitoring system have revolutionized data collection and analysis, enabling us to address pressing issues like overfishing, habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. New technologies offer significant potential for enhancing compliance with marine protection regulations. While each technology presents unique challenge, their combined application can create a powerful system for monitoring, enforcement, and data-driven decision-making. Future research should focus on addressing the limitation of existing technologies, developing more integrated system, and ensuring equitable access to these tools for all stakeholders. The effective implement of these technologies requires collaboration between governments, researchers, and industry to ensure their successful integration into maritime conservation strategies.